If your voice-activated teleprompter isn't working, here are the 4 things I would check. First, microphone permissions. The app needs them, and they're the first thing that breaks after an operating system update. Second, internet connection. Most voice tracking runs through cloud recognition, so weak Wi-Fi means unreliable scrolling. Third, the language setting. If the app is set to US English and you're speaking UK English, it might struggle. Fourth, and this is the one most people miss, you might be speaking too far off script. Voice tracking works by matching what you say to what's written. If you're improvising, skipping lines, or misreading words, the app can't find your position. Read verbatim from a known passage to test. If it tracks perfectly, it's a script matching issue, not a technical one. Check permissions, connections, language, then your own speech. One of those 4 is almost always the fix. However, SteadyQ has tolerance built in. It tracks even when you drift. So go try it for free at steadyq.com.